Today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. So this right here is my friend Mitra.
Hello everyone, so I am a birder. I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now I've traveled to Scotland, to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, I'm impressed. Mitra here is very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, I'm not crazy, you are.
I'm just kidding. Okay, Mitra, so share, how many birds have you seen?
Last year I saw about 1,000. This year I want to break the record and see 3,000 or more.
Wow, hashtag show off. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's start our adventure and meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing rats. Let's start South America. So, now we'll be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride on the Pago River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red cougar. Look around you! You're in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet here in the Peruvian Amazon. Alright, giving me this is Vega. I was starting before Vega and spot is right up there. You see Trinity Johnny coming for you? Okay, let's make it easier for the guy, okay? So I'm gonna go to the front and you're gonna fly all the way up to your can you do that? Beautiful, guys. Now everyone, welcome to Chuncho Local Playlist, where hundreds of birds gather to feast on the day. Pigeon Dome is actually one of the largest breeding of its kind in the world. And in a very short while, we will be joined by two beautiful scarlet macaws, and here they come. This is Adrian. Adrian, where's your friend? Hi, I see you. This is Ferrari, our scarlet macaw. So Adrian and Ferrari, you guys want to fly over to check out your playlist? Over here, guys. Come on. You guys want to take a pit stop there? Come on, guys. I need you guys to fly over. There you go. Good job. Now, macaws, they have very sharp and pointy bills. So this allows them to eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those fruits which aren't good for the birds. So clay neutralizes the toxins. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right? That's right. No upset tummies. Well, looks like Adrian and Ferrari are enjoying their solid piece. Can we give them a big hand? Sabrina, I want to see more birds, okay? So let's not stop. Let's keep going. Let's fly to Southeast Asia. Let's go! And stop. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is 3,000 cultural birds from over 400 alien species. Okay, Mitra, I guess enough birds for you. No, I want to see more birds. 500? You're never satisfied. Okay, we're gonna welcome some very special friends of the park. Everyone keep your eyes right up there. Here comes our beautiful birds. So, this right here is Higgins. Higgins, our green-winged macaw. Green-winged macaws are actually one of the largest in the macaw family. Higgins here is about 10 years old. And in a very short while, we will be joined by Katie, our silver-crested cockatoo. Hello, Katie. Now, silver-crested cockatoos like Katie, they can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Okay, can you see the yellow feathers on her head? Well, that is
called a crest. Sulfur is yellow and therefore they are known as the sulfur crested cockatoo.
So parents make alive and make devoted parents. That means take advantage of tree cavities and tree hollows to build their nest. Just like this one.
And they also use nesting materials like leaves and flowers, twigs, and as well as dried leaves. Okay? So if the cavity is too small, they will then use their beaks to enlarge them. So in a very short while, both Katie and Higgins will be demonstrating their nesting behavior by dropping all these nesting materials into that cavity. Looks like we're all set to go. Come on.
Alright, everyone, take a look at the green. See how does it look like from the inside. Okay, so let's begin. There we go, Nikki. Adorable is Katie. Okay. Katie, you want to fly back? Still munching on the tree. There you go. Big hand for Katie and Higgins as well as the wonderful Nikita.
Did you hear a rooster? A rooster? Here? In the park? Stop! That's a rooster!
No, no, no. There's your rooster.
No! That's an Amazon parrot.
How do you don't believe me?
Yes, I don't believe you.
Okay, everyone check this out, okay? Hi, if you want to face the front, okay, can we show them how do you do your rooster? Your rooster. Now you believe me?
Yes, I believe you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Quincy and Amigo, they are masters of mimicry. So before the birds mimic any other sounds, Quincy here would like to welcome all of you. Are you ready? Did you catch that? He said welcome to Paradise. Let's hear this one more time, okay? There you go. Okay, so we've heard the sound of the rooster. Quincy, can you mimic another animal sound? Quincy, can you do the cat? Wow, yes, cat. Okay, the next sound will be a high-tech sound. Quincy, do you remember how to do the telephone? Can we give Quincy a big hand, everyone?
So when parents learn how to mimic or copy sounds, they are basically learning from their families. So if they were to mimic human sounds, they're just doing what they hear around them.
That's right. So in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Paradize.
And I would like to hear Amigo mimic some human sounds. So let's start with something simple. You want to say hello? Hello. Wow, that's a very clear hello. Okay, and since we all know his name, right? Let's get him to say it himself, okay? Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo! 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 There's so many of them here today, so how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? You heard that? He's asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? Yes, that's very nice to hear. So Amigo is also going to sing for us. He's going to sing for us in English. of it, just one last line at the back. Shall we do it? Yeah? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here at the Birth Paradise. And I must say, that's pretty amazing, right?
Absolutely. But hold on, everyone. Did you know the Quincy here is 1 in 10,000? Amigo is 1 in a million. What you will usually get as a pet is a bird just like Victor. Did you hear that? So please don't think twice. No, please think about 100 times before you get yourself a pet cat, okay? So thank you very much, Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parents.
And also, here, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being sold into pet trays. Amazon and parents like Quincy and Amigo, they can live up to 50 years. So that is a lifetime commitment. They may seem like they'll make good pets, but they don't.
That's right. So instead of buying yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to Bird Paradise to see these beautiful birds instead, right?
Yes, that's right. Okay, so Sabrina, what's next?
Oh, yeah, did you know the Wings of the World is sponsored by Kellogg's?
Really? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
Only declares that this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Fruit Loops Ambassador Elmo, our Togo Toucan. Right here, Elmo. Hi. So Elmo here is going to show his amazing flying abilities to this giant group. Are you ready?
Over here, Elmo. Come on. There we go. Well done. Now, Togo toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Elmo, what was that? Okay, so their bodies are actually very flexible and they can fly through gaps in the forest. For this case, it will be our giant Fruit Loop. Elmo, one more flight all the way back to Sabrina.
There you go. Can we give Elmo a big hand and thank the Kellogg's Fruit Loops for sponsoring Wings of the World presentation.
And we are about to meet an iconic species. Everyone, let us welcome Olivia, our Oriental Pie Hornbill.
So everyone, Olivia here has a heartwarming story because as a chick, she actually fell out of her nest. Okay, so she was a rescue bird because in the wild, Olivia would not have survived. But right at Bird Paradise, she has been nursed back to health and has a safe permanent home with us.
Okay, so there are two major differences between hornbills and toucans. Toucans, they can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills can be found in Asia and in Africa. And hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their heads called a cusp. It can just be a small bridge or it can be big and brightly colored.
That's right. Okay, what else can we spot?
Their feet. Both hornbills and toucans, they are great hoppers. Okay, so hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. Emma, where are you? It's very funny actually. Be careful there, Emma. Okay, so like I said, so this gives them actually very great strength to hop up and down branches. You okay there, Elmo? Be careful!
Bye.
Elmo, I need you to fly back down. We have to show someone. You need to show everyone something, right, Elmo? Come on. You want to make your way down? It's actually stuck in a very awkward position right up there. Okay, and by the way, both birds, they are known to catch their prey mid-flight. Okay, so since we're going to get Elmo down, we shall do this with Olivia first. Okay, so what Olivia is going to demonstrate now is Okay? Ready, Olivia?
Let me get
Ready?
this.
There you go. That was a wonderful catch. Okay, that was really amazing. So Elmo is going to demonstrate that as well once he's back down.
Let me help her. Sari is actually above the flat spot. And he's running away from you.
They're playing hide and seek out there. Look at it. There you go. Okay, Saad got him. Okay, let's just wait for them to come down. Okay, sometimes these birds they have a mind of their own. So let's just give Saad a while to bring Elmo down. Very playful this evening. Look at him.
So you know you have to perform and not watch the show, right? Okay, now you want to cut us from here? Come on. It's a short flight. Can I do this? Now you don't want me? Come on. There you go. Okay, so let's try and demonstrate the throw for Elmo as well. Let's see if she wants to do it. Can we try this for you? Let's get a juicy rib out for you as well. Are you ready for this? One, two, hold on. 1, 2, 3, up it goes!
Another beautiful catch. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Olivia and Elmo, our beautiful birds. And also, one fun fact about hornbills is that they are the only flying birds with long and beautiful eyelashes. Okay, so if you get to see a hornbill up close, look at their eyes. Okay, they really have very long eyelashes. Okay, and also hornbills, they have unusual nesting behaviors. They like to nest in big tree cavities, just like that one right up there. So you can see this nesting behavior right here at the bird paradise without leaving your seats. From the smaller oriental pied hornbill, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let us welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Now, great pied hornbills like Vicky can be found in Asia. And did you all know that in Borneo, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly across their village, it means they are blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? So in a very short while, Vicky will be flying over to check out the nest cavity. But in the meantime, you all can take beautiful pictures of her. And maybe our guide Sabrina as well. You can post on the picture. Okay, whenever you're ready, Vicky, off she goes. And only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. That was very fast. So usually the female hornbills, they are very fussy about their accommodation. It has to be spacious and have a chimney so they can escape if they want to. So this time, the male hornbill will then come forward and bring her mud. She will then mix it with her own droppings as well as mashed fruits to form a strong seal. And with that, let's welcome her big, shall we? Everyone keep your eyes right back there. Here comes Sunny. Another great white hornbill.
Beautiful cut. So what Sunny is doing right now, Sunny is gathering food for Vicky. The male will gather food for the female and the nesting for up to 4 months. In a very short while, he's going to bring those gathered food down to Vicky. Okay, Sunny, why don't you go down and feed Vicky? Now, not to worry, everyone, if you'd like to take a look at this loving gesture, look at the screen. So once again, this is Vicky. Vicky is checking out the tree cavity. If she likes it, she's going to then hop right in. There you go. And then we have the male feeding the female. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared by nearly all 62 species of hornbills. So that a big hand for Vicky and Sunny, our great pied hornbills.
Now everyone, hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted to extinction for their caste, known as the red ivory. So what's happening to elephants?